Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to move tracks in Audacity. So let's get started. Open your Audacity project containing multiple tracks. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the portion of the audio you want to move. To relocate the selected track, click and drag it to the desired position within your project. Use the mouse to move the track up or down to place it where you want. If you have several tracks, you can move each one independently by clicking and dragging them, allowing you to rearrange their order or alignment as needed. Play back your audio to ensure the tracks are in the desired order. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.